tayo. Gusto mo ka lang. Luksong pa ka daw.
Mataya-taya na lang, guys.
Hindi, taguan.
Taya-taya.
Taguan tayo, sisaya. O sige, hubaran kita. Pakina ka. Gusto mo tisiri si Sari?
Si Sir Vinita.
No? Isisid ka?
Baka niyo Sir Vinita, dali. Sherry.
Tatapakan ko sa'yo. Pag simulis tatapakan ko, tatayuan ko. Siyempre pula, tangin ka ba?
Dalawang tao yun? Oo. Mga ano, mga 9.
90?
Oo. Kinapos ako lang pinagkangan. Ano ba ako?
Sakit.
Okay na.
Ang gandang manood sa ano.
Then that was going like this. Mesh.
Maliwanag ba?
Oo.
Mesh. Mesh. Mesh.
Tingnan kita, sundang kita. Diyan ka lang ha. Okay, sir.
Mesh.
Alip.
Then that was making pull-ups. Exercise. You keep on focus on my legs.
Sige, isot. Saan mo ako?
Mamaya makikita ka niya. Makikita ka ng Bernie na dadaan siya dito. Ang shoot.
Ano ngayon, legal naman yung sa recreation.
Ha?
Nandun na yung pera ko ngayon.
Hindi, I mean, malolokas siya. Ang fun! Ano, balita na naman siya.
Ang top. Meron?
Now who's going to be the bad guy? I'll be the guy. No, but what should I do?
Saan bacon kain? Hindi. Wala ka. Parang yung bacon mo stress.
Yes.
Sige na. Pwede naman dito. Oo, dali na. May pangyari dito. Ililis na tayo. Okay lang yun. Wala nang
Pretend you're still talking and I actually just start to down.
ganun. 1, 2, 3, go. Teka na. Wala naman.
4G24.
Dalawa ko siguro. Wala ko nakalagay kay Renita Alim eh.
9190. Five? Six. There are 5 only a while ago. So the other one told me that he don't want to swim now. He's swimming now.
What time is 5?
Yeah. Thank you.
O, di ba? Meron tayo ano. Dali dapat. Enjoy.
Para kitang-kita.
Why basta telephone bill, they will not get the payment without the receipt? The bill for telephone.
O, dapat meron tayo ano yung...
So my friend took my bill, that's why I want to pay. It's on duty, huh? Kasi I look at already the bill. He told me it's 13 reals. I'm asking a while ago there in the front desk. You must have the list according to him.
No, you have to go other side.
Yes, I know, yeah.
Please check the...
Yes, because they know already, huh? They have the master copy there. Okay, I will go later. What's the disconnection on the 9 p.m. Sir?
Ay, tumalan ko nito.
I'll keep you on the diving board. I'll keep you on the board.
Ate Neneng is no longer. Ate Neneng. Ronald. Isa. Thank you also.
Ano ka nakalap ka? Sophie ka lang.
Thank you.
Pagod, no? Hindi ka tulad sa dagat. Nasa kasayita.